everyone, I'm Taylor with the WDW Couple, and today's video is a Disney Get Ready With Me. I'm super excited to share this with you. I have been asked multiple times to show what I do with my hair and what kind of makeup I use, so I finally decided to do it. In the past, I have used all different kinds of products on my hair, just trying to figure out what's the best for my curly hair, and lately I have found the best products to be True the product. So in the shower I use the True Curl shampoo and the True Curl conditioner. And then for my face wash I use Olay Total Effects 7-in-1. So let's just start from the beginning and I will show you how to get my version of a Disney look. After I get a shower, first thing I do is dry my hair with a towel and then I brush it with a wet brush. While my hair is basically still soaking wet, I put in my True Curl hair product. You don't need a ton of this, a small amount goes a long way. And depending on how long your hair is or how thick your hair is, you can always add more if you need to. Kind of scrunch it all through my hair after I have lathered it through. And if something happens, it seems a little bit dry and frizzy at some point, I always just spray my hair with a squirt bottle and then add a little bit more to that area. It's always hard to tell until my hair is like actually dry to know if it's good to go. I always do my hair first and then I move on to my makeup. I always moisturize my face first because if I don't, my face gets really dry and kind of flaky, especially like right here in the center of my face. With this Olay Total Effects whips, you really only need a very small amount, just enough to get on my finger. Once I feel like my face is moisturized, then I move on to my foundation. And I use Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. I used to use the regular matte foundation, which I still have. However, in the winter my face gets really dry, so I switched to the hydrating foundation. And I just add little dabs all over my face, and then I use a brush to blend it all in. And I actually use the Tarte Beauty Blending Brush. Once I have my foundation done, I use some of the contour concealer to hide any extra blemishes or problem areas that I have. And I use the same brush to blend all this in. Then I move on to my highlighter and my blush. For my highlighter, I use e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls. I put my highlighter high up on my cheekbones, and then up across my cheeks for the blush, I use Ulta Beauty Mineral Blush, and the color is Tiger Lily. I don't always use eyeshadow, but whenever I do, I use an Urban Decay Naked palette. And then I use a brush to just blend all my eyeshadow together. When When I don't use eyeshadow, I use my eyeliner pencil on the top lid and the bottom lid. However, when I do use eyeshadow, I use liquid eyeliner on the top. After I do my eyeliner, I curl my eyelashes. Then I use mascara on top and bottom, and sometimes my mascara will change based on what I feel like using that day. I am almost finished with my makeup. Lastly, I apply my lip color. However, I like to brush my teeth before I put my lip color on. That way this excess makeup on my lips kind of gets washed off. I have now brushed my teeth. I'm basically ready to put my lip color on. However, I looked in the mirror and my hair is starting to look a little bit frizzy in a couple places. So I'm going to use my handy dandy squirt bottle and try and tame some of that down. I'm also gonna flip my head upside down and like scrunch in a little bit from underneath with a little bit more of my True Curl product. For my lip color, I use Maybelline Super Stay 24 color. And you have to be very precise with this because once it's on, it's on. Final touch, I put on some perfume. Lately, my favorite has been Daydream Believer from Victoria's Secret. And the final step to the Disney Get Ready With Me is putting on the ears. As you can see, I have my Walt Disney World Millennial Pink Spirit jersey on, so I'm going to wear the Millennial Pink ears today. And I wear my ears different ways sometimes. Put it straight down on like a headband, or I'll do like what I'm gonna do today and slide it back and push my hair back. That way my hair kind of stays out of my way. My makeup routine is pretty much the same almost every day. Occasionally I'll change my lip color. Occasionally I change my eyeshadow or don't wear eyeshadow at all. And then of course my shirt and my ears change and match depending on what I'm doing that day. But this right here is probably one of my favorite combos. And I will link all the products I use below, that way you can try them out too. So let me know in the comments, what do you do to get ready to go to Disney?